Yeah. Hey, careful! You can choke some glitter.
Wait.
Glitter and gay and forest.
Stab the book.
It's good, huh? But you got the cover.
No, there's nothing good about it. It doesn't taste good. You must stab the book. Sacrificial!
You're gonna break that thing, and the thing is gonna snap, and then.
Oh my God, we're having a Harry Potter moment. It's bleeding.
It's bleeding! Hey, please, sparkly blood. Wait. It's
Oh
bleeding!
God, it's turning on me.
The period joke. Oh, Jesus.
Yes, I know. No, we're at Rag. And at Rag what?
Scissors.
He's got two sharp points.
Wait, hold on. No, hold. I got a good shot.
Oh yeah, I got it.
Oh, that is.
You got the stuff to protect you from the sharp pointy things.
Can I borrow that?
No, I've got distance.
Don't. No.
I will buy you a new one if it's broken. I think she stabbed it deeper than you did.
Oh, yeah, because I wasn't going to stab it deep.
How many pages did you get into?
Jack, yes.
What happened?
I want to check.
I'm waiting for
Page number, I want to check.
Pictures of damage.
I think someone should tie this for me.
Oh.
It's a competition. It's
Oh. Oh wow, it's still going. Where is it? Oh, it's through like that section.
Where does it land on the period?
That section.
162.
All right, 162. You have to go and see how far.
I'll just eat every single one of those pages. Wait, what page did you rip out? Because I think it was 163. Oh.
I was nomming
400 something.
it. It was good. Hold on.
And
Flip until you find it. Flip until you find
It's
it.
in the 200s.
he wins.
Well, he said no just as I was about to.
Yeah, I think she deserves a second hit.
Whoa, guys, check it out. Superstitions aside, I said quickly, I still don't see what you're choosing.
Oh my God! You need to
You need dolphin bones. You need shark's teeth. It is like crack. You need jam. It's like juice.
Look at that armor.
I've got juice.
It's just it's like a. Wait, you have what?
I have juice. I have Jewish elderberry wine.
For future reference. The worst thing.